Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own Taobao account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So from here all you have to do is to open your Taobao that you have just installed, and from here it's going to show you this main homepage. All you have to do is to go to the bottom right section where you can see the face and click on that so that it can transfer you to this new page where you can see your Google section. From here it's going to show you Google, Facebook, email, or any other one. Click on the Google, which is going to be your easiest method to log in. Then it's going to give you this message where it's going to say click on the orange one. And now from here it's going to show you that you can select any of your Google accounts. So choose whatever you would like to log in with. And now from here it's going to just inform you that it's checking in and click on continue. Once that is done, it's going to check you in fully, and now it's going to load and you have successfully created your own Taobao account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.